Show me a good mon. This is a very good scouting mon, though. Ooh, we got a bear. All right. All right. Okay. What kind of moves do you have, bear? Show me. Back to the sign. Okay, it has no attack. That is, it has literally 0 attack stats, which is fantastic.
All right, gamers.
So if it has special moves,
It's a day, huh?
then we are in there.
It's a day.
The OG one. The OG is really good.
Let's make sure everything is working, mon. Make sure everything is working, mon.
Water World, dude. TM.
God, I love this music, man.
Attack stat. You can.
God, I love it.
It's not good. Hyper Beam should be doing more than that at 5.
Cool. Okay, everything seems to be worky. I hope we're on the... Okay, we are on the right profile. All right. So basically... We're gonna test the encoding hotspot first. So everybody's stream might die, but it might not. So let's bring OBS over here. Of course, everything. Oh.
Nope.
Yeah, I gotta fix that.
I need one good special
Jeez.
attack versus ring.
Oh man, everything's screwed. Can you unfloat, please? Okay. There we go. Now that I have this up.
That's a good one. That's pretty solid.
So what's the deal? My new method is to stop here and then cut the network adapter. Dun, dun, dun. This is so hard to do on.
I need to see
Here we go.
fourth move.
Okay, there we go.
Come on, Earth Ring. Show it to me. Show me what
So
you got.
stop
Don't be
this,
explosion.
disable this, and then change the profile, enable this,
Stats are really bad.
start
Need to see
the stream, and then hope it doesn't bonk on YouTube or Twitch, basically.
running out of charges.
That's basically it.
Show me what you're working with.
That's basically it. Okay, let's run it.
No.
Everybody
not
should
doing
just
that
see
one.
the...
I don't like that one.
If you're on Twitch, you should just see the guy.
I like that move, gamer.
And on YouTube, you should just see a blank screen, I think. But I guess we'll find out.
Different move.
I guess we'll find out. All right, let's run it. So, yeah, stop to
Don't show me
YouTube.
Crunch right now. Not now. Maybe.
Okay. Well, oh, and I also didn't stop my fan. Awesome. Can you hear my fan in the background? Sucks. So much stuff. Okay, reconnected, join channel. Reconnected. Does that mean we're good? Okay, so let me go to Twitch and reload. Ooh, okay. Sorry, I know you can't see me. There we go. So Twitch, we're still on. Holy shit, YouTube, we're still on. Right? Holy shit. I did it. I figured it out. The stream didn't stop on either one. Holy shit, now I just need to automate that. That's groundbreaking. I don't know if anybody's ever done that before. Or if anybody, like smart encoding hot swap for OBS and Twitch without fucking with your VODs. See, now it's at 1080. Yeah. But I wonder if the VOD on YouTube, if you'll be able to like smart switch between also this is weird. I mean, I hope, I don't know. Okay. That's really cool. I'm really fucking glad that works. Like, really glad that works. Okay. So, encoding hot swap, basically, okay, let me drag OBS back. Let me drag OBS back over here. Let's do the hot swap one more time, just to test. So, what was it? So I need to go to stop. Okay, so we're going to stop YouTube, cut the network adapter, switch the profile, cut OBS. So let me write this down. So basically, automate stop YT plugin, stop network adapter, change profile in OBS, quit OBS, enable adapter, open OBS, start streaming. Okay, so in order, here's how you hot swap on the fly, which is nice because I need a hot swap on the fly. Coding is in 4K. We know this. No, we're good. We're good. Coding is in 4K. And then Mario Kart is basically in 1080p. So we need to accommodate for that, basically. If you didn't know what was going on up until this point. But anyway, yeah, let's test. Wait, no, maybe it did. Hold on, I'm gonna check something else and then test switching back to 4K, and then we will start asking GPT what the best way to write the model to make trending content is gonna be. Okay, one sec, BRB. Nah. Huh. Okay, well. Anyway, okay. We'll test going back to 4K now. So, what are the steps again? Stop YT plugin. Boop. Stop network down. Okay. I had to open OBS a couple times, but we should be back on 4K. Yeah, looks like we are. Sick. We back here? Yeah. On desktop, I believe you have to reload. It doesn't give you the face, but at least it doesn't like cut it completely. Is YouTube still going? That's a big test. It is still going. Good. Wow. That's awesome. Everything works. Now I just have to automate that little stream of things. Stream of things to do. Okay. Now we are good to go. I'm gonna move on to the next thing for the stream, which is we're gonna train a model to write trending content for my content hub. Let's get I ate your pie back on here. He's doing super Kaizo Ironmon, which is really fun.
This thing has no attacks. It's really bad.
Always fun to watch on the weekends.
7 to 9, maybe 10. It's
Always super fun to watch on the weekends. Okay. Basically, I'm going to input all my notes so far.
Yeah, it's not good. It's all bulk. I want to see what its fourth move is so we can see if it has anything. It's literally just.
Here are my notes regarding,
you know,
the creation of a model that takes trending content, transcripts, and any other recommended data from
oh gosh, yeah. I'm done. The bear has been scouted. I've seen enough. The bear is bad.
And uses input SEO optimization questions and data to produce scripts for the various social medias. And then what are the social media? Let me just make sure that I am on the
not good. Poison Fang.
YouTube.
No bueno, dude.
Facebook, Twitter, TikTok, Reddit, Snapchat. DC. Okay, here are the notes. Boo, boo, boo. Boo, boo, boo.
What else you got? What's your fourth move?
And then
if we get poison, we can run though. Triple kick. No. Banette is bad as well, dude. Dude, we might actually run this Kadabra. It's making me sad because this is a very good scouting mod and we have great items.
Can you consolidate?
And Weather Ball is like a really nice hero, but like we do evolve at 37. 37 to put things in perspective. We would have to beat Misty with this, and then it would turn into something.
Can you explain?
You know, like that.
The methods available to achieve the concept. Boom. Okay, so basically, I'll go ahead and explain it while GPT's doing its thing. So basically, I want to either use GPT. I mean, by GPT, I mean either Chat GPT or GPT's API to train a model where I continuously input trending content transcripts. Like, say Ludwig drops a new video. I have a transcript from that video. I drop it into my model. It learns style, cut, like pace, etc. And then I just keep inputting different content from different trending social medias. And then I take an app that tells me the best search engine optimization topics from my ideas and stuff I want to do, and spits out the scripts for the different social medias. Obviously, I'll have to tweak them because GPT is not good with like comedy or general, like, I guess just being cool, like fellow kids is its style usually. So yeah. What did it say? I don't want to give away any of my notes, pretty much. So let's see what it said. Your project aims to create a model that generates SEO optimized scripts for various social media platforms based on trending content and specific SEO data. Here's a structured approach to achieving your goals, focusing on methodology, technology options, and processes. Defining the model and data requirements. Your model needs to integrate inputs from trending social media content, utilize SEO data to optimize content for visibility, generate tailor scripts for platforms, collects transcripts, and gathers SEO optimization queries for my content goals. Okay, that's very good. Standardize, improvement. Okay, analyze SEO data. Okay, I got you. Choosing the right technology. Okay. Custom instructions with OpenAI API. Regularly update the model with new transcripts. Oh, okay. I could have one transcript per... Do I want to have one transcript per social media that serves as like an example? But no, I want to be continuously learning trends, right? So I want to have a database of them. That's the whole point. Okay. Custom instructions are less scalable. That's my whole like asking. That's my whole point of asking. Limitations on prompt sizes or example counts. It just so not that much expertise. Well, I guess. I'm confident in the complexity of training the model, though. Really more cost effective, but might be less. Okay, model training and updating process. Ongoing training regime, where the model periodically ingests new data and outputs, or refines its outputs. Pipeline to automate data collection. Automatically format and feed data. Dashboard or interface to input SEO questions or topics. Custom instructions example. Latest trend in topic in this SEO query. Generate a script for includes a captivating call to action. This is good, but it's not like it doesn't conform to trends as good as a local model might. Sorry, I'm thinking like really heavily. Like I'm trying to like think, could I do this with just Chat GPT and the custom instructions, but like I really just think I need to start okay, let's say let's go with the local model on a vast.ai machine. Let's look up vast.ai real quick. How much is it to on-demand pricing? Okay, and then it's GPU for ML. Does this guy have the? Where's the link? This guy, yeah. And then down here. What the? Blasted me all the way to the top. Okay, relative performance. So, like, ideally, we'd go with an H100. I don't think we can do that. Let's see. So, let me sign in real quick. Now, what do I want? Can I just pick the GPU? Search. Filter options. Code version. Deep learning performance. What is this? What if I drag this way up? What is this? Okay. So there's only like, okay. So basically, and then how much time are we talking? Local AI model. Hmm. Hmm. I see. I see. I see. So I could train it online with something like AWS, or I could train it with a script. We want to do it all locally, or we want to do it all like not locally, but I don't know. Do I want to go with train, retrain our model with a container that we run vast.ai server, or train using something like AWS. Script to train the model, and it's what's the structure? What's the structure? It's product. Two. It's a very quiet Saturday, huh? Very quiet Saturday, huh? Just chilling.
I'm worried about the bugs. You know? Why not take a Banette because it's bad?
Oh yeah, baby.
All right, what's in here? Oops, no.
Just the best.
Where's the monster? Sharpedo. All right. I'll scout.
Yeah. Let's go with Vast.
Alright, Sharpedo.
Yeah, I don't want to do EC2 with attached GPUs. Let's not. Let's not.
Shadow Punch. That did not do a lot of damage for a super effective.
Okay, let's just keep it going. I'm not gonna heavily edit the conversation like I normally would. Let's just keep it going.
Everything is bad, dude.
Okay, so from this, I'm definitely choosing Vast.ai. Because I can just like get these 6 RTX 3060s
The Ursaring is unusable.
and just fucking pump through shit like it's no tomorrow type of thing, you know? Like 73.3 T-flops and then 72 gigs of RAM. It wouldn't be too bad,
It should be
you know,
more
for 50 cents an hour.
damage, it just-
Hopefully we're just not using it. Even if it runs for a week, right? So 10, it's like $50. I don't know, depending on how much it makes us.
Jabber is
We'll see.
unusable. You're not wrong. That's why I'm
We'll see.
trying to pivot
See,
off of it.
all of this like automation, the script writing, all of this shit
Doesn't have Truant Marin.
is so easy at the end of the day with the tools,
One time, gamer.
with the right tools. It's just like
Time.
it costs money at the end of the day. To do this all for free would be shit. Nobody's doing it for free, right? Nobody's writing all their stuff, doing all the research. You're not doing it for free. You're not doing it alone. Like,
Mamgar's dead, dude. He showed me who he
It's-
was.
easier than I thought. At the end of the day, it's just like so many things you got to put together. And at the end, you get the script and the content and whatever. But yeah, I'll use Docker to do a container. Thank God the code for this project is going to be entirely easy. There's going to be nothing that GPT is going to absolutely know how to write and rewrite. Thank God.
Alright, I'm done.
So we're finally going to be able to
Fourth mod in here.
learn how to train local models based on like documents and stuff, and then write my own chat GPTs based on like the stuff that I really need.
Yo, 6 feet deep. Thank you.
The stuff that I really need like trained on.
I have really good items. If you're wondering why am I taking so much time to
Wait,
scout
did it
gamers,
cut the
because I have
fucking
a
VOD in half on Twitch?
and another
Maybe I spoke too soon earlier.
for my heals.
Maybe I spoke too soon earlier.
Max potion, fresh water, and a potion.
No, we're good. It's just OBS. It's just OBS. Okay, that's awesome. About 30 more minutes. By 3:40, I'm gonna cut stream. 3:40. By 3:40. So yeah, so no, my encoding hot swap did work perfectly, which is good.
If there's nothing good, I am just going to run.
So
I know it's special is bad.
the project structure is basically just a container with the Transformers library,
But I have no
either
other idea.
PyTorch or TensorFlow.
There's all the mons
Do I want to use TinyGrad maybe? I don't know. Probably not, but the required libraries. So we set up just the container, easy peasy. Automate the scraping. Okay, okay, that's
The Sharpedo is bad. Alright, you know what?
we're gonna use a Redis container. So I like this plan so far. I'll tweak each step. So basically, I'm gonna go through each step and be like, yeah, we're gonna choose Vast.ai. So we're gonna use Docker to create a container with the Hugging Face Transformers library. We're gonna use, let's just say we're gonna use TensorFlow.
Maybe Sharpedo has,
All good
like,
there.
good special.
Let's say we'll worry about this later. For now, I'll just grab the data myself.
Dude. Sharpedo, you suck. You're bad.
We'll say we're gonna use a Redis store because we're good at that now. Redis is fast as fuck and it's containerized, so I'm down. So suitable pre-trained model. So yeah, we'll find the right model for the task. I will definitely look up the right model. for our specific task. And then set up periodic retraining cycles. Cool. Where every time I input, we'll see how much it costs to just retrain it with like one transcript, say. It shouldn't be that much. Like, it shouldn't take an hour, right? I don't know. I really don't know. Well, we're gonna fucking find out, right? Right, kids? Monitor. So at this point, I'm going to be doing my own thing, right? Develop front end interface. So yeah. This is perfect. I like this. Let's I'll do one more iteration on here, and then maybe I'll play some Mario Kart for a little bit. But plan with some thoughts. Details.
That was so much ice cream, but I ate it all.
Okay, so with these details, we shall certainly fast.ai, since we can easily run a container on better GPUs on demand or cheaper.
Yo, all right.
Is there like a...
I have to gamble, right? Oh, that's good enough. That's good enough. 11 damage with stab is good enough. All right. It's gonna be better than what we have right now. I can tell you that much.
Rapidly changing and experimenting scenarios. Okay.
Oh, that's not what I don't know what that means. What does that do?
I don't know.
Oh my gosh,
I'll only do stuff that I'm sure on.
Oh my god.
Automate the scraping.
Okay.
Wait, no. If that's the only thing that I'm going to change, not Control S.
All right, I will take this, man. I will take this. I don't even care. I don't even care. This thing, it is slow as molasses, dude. This is a bad one, but it is 34 attack.
Based on my thoughts
Right, figure out
while reading the steps. Also, is Redis easy to use with Python? Yes, it is very easy to use. Very easy. So one, we'll go with fast.ai since I can run higher end GPUs on demand for less money.
Okay.
I'm not sure whether we should use TensorFlow or PyTorch.
Oh, I forgot to turn animations. Oh, that's very unfortunate.
When we select the model from Hugging Face Right.
No!
You.
Lee, you fricker! You
Um.
absolute fricker! Ah! All right. I wasn't learning any moves. All right, let's just see.
Yeah, would you? Yo. What's up, bro? Sorry, I didn't read that. I was fucking locked in. What's good, man?
About the Grumpig, but that was the Grumpig was whoa.
I'm doing well, bro. How are you? How are you?
First ring had no stats.
Just getting back. What?
No stats.
What'd y'all do?
Bam!
Glad to hear. Yeah, man, I wish I could have gone, but so much shit to do. It's crazy.
It was good.
Okay, so do I want to set up a scraper?
There was nothing here, gamers. Sharpedo, no stats. Shelgon had some stats.
Zite.
Step Twister. I mean,
Nothing. I just live far. When did it end? What the?
That was just an awful.
Yeah, I live far too. That's why I.
The game gave us items and we couldn't get anything. What did Kadabra turn? Oh, we don't know. I don't want to know. I don't want to know, man. I don't want to know.
Usage. Okay, so Zite is a web crawler. You can just set it up to crawl webs. Ended at 2. Bruv. Yeah, that's exactly what I was afraid of. Oh, man. Well, at least you're home. At least they won. I heard they kicked ass, which is awesome. I heard they kicked a lot of ass.
First trainer kicks are Super Kaizo Ironmon.
Yeah, sure. Stomp. So, I think I'll be streaming for another, maybe like 20 minutes here.
For 5.5 hours.
Maybe another 20-ish minutes, my dude. What are you doing the rest of the day, my man?
Open rights. What? Bad bug, bad bug. That's a bad bug. That's a bad bug. That's a bad bug. Bad bug.
Best web scraper or YouTube? YouTube scraper. Shrek's public data. $5. I'm just gonna have to write using like browser automation.
Dude, this guy is being a huge troll.
I have no idea what the
Mon,
best.
Give me a good mon.
Me and the partner are gonna hang out, but that's about it. What about you?
We're gonna get out.
Let's see. What am I gonna do after this? What am I doing?
Bugs get out, but why do they get out? Why do they get out?
I am riding my bike right after this, and then
Poison point.
probably riding my bike, doing chores, and then doing that fucking game night again from last month when I got it. When I like couldn't get in and they were playing Mario Party, the Mario Party with my friends meme. So we'll jump in again. I jumped in the voice channel and I could talk, so I just fucking hope that if I can hop in there and like chill for a little bit. Or I don't know. I don't really need to. It's not like I'm like itching to hang out with people. Because I've been I hang out with people like all night last night, so We'll see, but hopefully the rest of the day is just hopefully it's just productive.
This is bad bug. Bad
Productive.
bug. What you gonna do? What you gonna do when the bug comes for you?
Yeah.
Bad bug.
Course of action. Web scraping. This would be.
Yo, Safari Ball's good.
We'll develop this concept as we go. Choose a simple database to store our data. And it can also be containerized like Redis. Okay, 3. Select a suitable pre-trained model. I'll use updated research based on my needs. Sounds like a plan, man. Hell yeah. So tell me about the kickball. What went down? Oh, you mean after kickball you guys went to Taco Hero? You guys went back, huh? You went back to Taco Gyro, huh? Best at the current date. We'll then use that I choose to determine factors like training periods. 2 games, went to lunch in between. Oh, hell yeah. Hell yeah. So,
okay.
How did the games go? Apparently I only heard about 1 game. It's the model that I choose to determine factors like training periods or training cycles.
Dude. Okay. We have a lot of good balls.
And then model deployment. So we don't want to deploy this. I don't really want.
Whoa. Oh, come on.
Online. It's mainly for my use in generating trending content. However, I do want a public repository on GitHub that shows daily dedication and commits.
Sorry, I think it's in the 13 months.
And any other public, both restomps
like a pick.
Yeah, and he seems the GOAT. Like 14-3. Did you just meet Yan for the first time today? He's pretty cool. He's kind of the GOAT. He took some like really good pictures for me yesterday at the fair. Shit was goated. As a software.
Thanks to the two. You want right? All right, let's do it.
As a
Let us do it.
entry level software developer trying to get a
Well,
developer
we can't take that one.
DevOps job. So we will probably develop some sort of API
I know it's a little bit early on the edge, but
and then have a demo.
I gots to go. I gots to go.
Looked especially handsome, bro. It's because of the cut. I'm just looks maxing, but thank you. Obviously, thank you. The looks maxing, bro.
Well,
It's going off.
all right, gamers, we'll do a prediction here.
The facial
5
hair,
minutes.
the cut,
Oh, I timed out the wrong
the
part.
cut.
Oh no, hold up.
it's all working together. Cause I'm telling you, bro, I look like a pile of sludge sometimes, and it is not hard.
All right, whoops.
As easy as it is to look like a pile of sludge is as easy as it is to not look like a pile of sludge. To look like the opposite of a pile of sludge.
BRB.
See, nowadays, no. Right, because I'm looks maxing and not fucking up and like skipping the gym for a couple months and like drinking a bunch or something, you know, like you just gotta stay on the routine for you know, gym pilled. I'm just atomic habits pilled, basically. I am so atomic habits pilled, it's crazy. I am so atomic habits pilled, it's crazy. Yeah, this shit is yeah. That's my shit. Some sort of API and then have a demo front end that is online that mimics what I would actually use trending content. Do we want a public repository on GitHub that shows daily dedication and commits, public evidence, signals trust? Probably develop some sort of API, have a demo front end that is actually online, that mimics what I would actually use to generate trending content. Okay. I'm going to use a service like Gym Pilled. Answer the Public. Called Answer the Public. AnswerThePublic.com. AnswerThePublic.com. Or similar to generate best trending SEO metadata or SEO topics for scripts. I don't know. That's all I'm going to give it for that. I don't want the whole model to be online, obviously, but I do want people to be able to see that I'm good at making this shit. online, so they need to be able to use something. Maintenance 5. We will worry about we will update the project as incrementally as possible throughout its construction in order to follow best software engineering practices, and we will consider scaling if we... Wait, can I just make this a startup? Can I just make this a startup? Do I pivot right now and instead of making this model for me, have a subscription service online that people just sign up for, and you're like, you enter your 5 favorite content creators in the basic subscription, and you can enter in like 10 links to your favorite videos or something, and the model learns from them and spits out scripts
I don't know
that you can use for your content. Maybe that's the plan. Maybe that's the plan the whole time. Like, I demonstrate its usefulness with my... Yeah. Yeah. After some thought, I've decided to demonstrate this product's useful in generating my own trending content and boosting my SEO
Dang, that's rude of yourself.
Content hub.
I want the game
And then
to give me a mon. No, this is not a, like, I just want a good one, you know?
this as a base to build trust in a startup that offers this service with a membership credit system to
Stab electric
content creators.
You shouldn't have.
So I'll use the system
Scorpion Man, thank you.
as long as it takes to build a working product, then pivot from using it as soon as it starts rolling in to managing the startup full time. Cool. That's a good plan, I think. Application and then outreach. Yeah. So I think this is a great plan. I never had this idea. I was feeling a little locked in by starting this content empire. I was like, I know I'm going to only want to do this for... Well, I'm not going to want to do it to the capacity that it's going to be a thing. I think I'm going to get really good at it, but I won't be able to do it all day like content creators. My thing's always going to be creating apps that people are going to use. So, demonstrate the usefulness of my own channels. See how I generated...
Is Giannis back? I don't think Giannis is playing.
Like, see how I generated 1 million followers and... Like, my app generated me 1 million followers. I don't know. Some dumb shit. something like after using my product while building it for a month.
Who got to blame?
Starting selling subscriptions. Credits to the AI service content creators with my own testimonial. See how I grew
Single manner.
a 1 million
Not today. I'll refund you your points. Not
follower empire. Social empire. With my own clickbaits like testimonial. For example, see how okay. I had a dream someone rated you with 34.7k viewers last night. Oddly specific. That's why you remembered. 34.7k viewers. I would pull my dick out. I'd pull my dick out.
Rock helps us with fires.
I'm showing dick and balls immediately. I'm showing dick and balls on site. Nah, just kidding. They'd probably swat my ass. Probably swat my ass. Like, OF is live. Let's go. XQC. Okay, guys. Here's the plan.
The defensive stats are not great. And,
Here's the plan.
Ain't no way, dude. Ain't no way. If we learn some moves, I think we could maybe talk
After
ourselves
taking into consideration our initial thoughts. Phew. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Cool. This is awesome. So I feel really good about this. Creating a product that I use to create a testimonial to sell the product. And this is, like I said, something that's not like the hardest thing in the world. It's just like balancing the different services and connecting them. And at the end of the day, like if your money goes up, I guess it's just business, but I've never been a business person. I've always been a tech person with no regard for business whatsoever. So yeah, let's update the plan. Let's read the plan. Do I have any other stream to-dos here? I actually don't think I want to play Mario Kart, to be quite honest. I think I'm just gonna bounce. Which kind of sucks, but sorry. I'm gonna update my... Nah. Maybe? Nah, I'm at a good place. I think I'm gonna read the new plan and then I'm gonna bounce. New plan, and then we're gonna bounce. Updated considerations. Here's a revised plan. Structuring the project to build your software development portfolio. I like this. I like this. I'm gonna title this. And what do I call it? Content Hub? I like that name. I like Content Hub. Like, I like Content Hub. I feel like because it sounds like Pornhub, it's gonna get clicks. I just don't know why Hub gets clicks. Hub gets clicks. I don't know. Anyway, here's the revised plan. We're gonna utilize Vast.ai. That's really just a very overarching concept of me using Vast.ai. Really, I'm going to have to configure one of the machines to, like, I'm just going to have to click, like, let's say I want to go big balls and rent this guy. Then I'd have to, like, this is actually super fucking cool. I would just select, like, the either PyTorch or TensorFlow or, like, a Docker setup here and rent it out and run my container on it for the low price of, like, the actual low as fuck low price of like 50 cents an hour, which I don't have to run it all the time. It's just when it's training and retraining, so not too bad, at a cost-effective rate, basically, at a cost-effective period. Okay, so I'll take that into consideration and pick.
How is this mon so fast?
Scraping and data acquisition. Okay, so develop a method. Scrapey or even Selenium. Yeah, I was gonna maybe just use Selenium, because if we're gonna be like using a shitload of like power anyway,
Trying to find
like why fuck around in any way? You know what I'm saying? I will be doing yeah. So the web scraping I didn't really think of, but we might as well do that automatically. You might as well do it for grabbing the transcripts and monitoring what we need to make scripts on.
We are catching the queen.
Containerize Redis, basically. I love Redis. It's very simple, so I'm going to keep using it. Maybe I'll branch out to Mongo or something, but can you containerize Mongo? Containerizable databases. Container database. Does it make sense to Dockerize databases? So can anyone see what one of the main reasons? This is more on the theory. This is more on the theory, but I'm looking for databases that can be containerized. So we could do SQL. I don't really want to do that though. I kind of want to just do Redis for now until it gets crazy, and then we'll probably do a SQL upgrade. Yeah, I'm gonna spend a bit of time monitoring Hugging Face for something good. I don't really know yet, but we'll find out. We'll find out what the best Hugging Face model is going to be.
Rat Queen, I'm telling you, this is it. Are you ready to be blown away?
We'll set up training and logging later. Develop the API that interacts with the model to input data and received generated scripts. Flask or Fast API. Okay, nothing crazy. Simple user-friendly front end that mimics the content generation process. That's the demo. Maintain a public repo documenting progress. Okay. Agile methodologies, short sprints. I already know that. Once a working model and system are in place, begin documenting and sharing results through case studies or a blog to illustrate the system's effectiveness in generating trending content. So this is huge. This is my brand new original gangster content idea. Once I have a working model that gets trained off of Vast, well, this is, I just love Vast.ai. I'm going to get rid of that because, like, it's not really super important. I'm just gonna do the training in the cloud because I can't buy the GPU yet, which is fine. But this is huge. So make the model in the system, document and share how I build my social medias from 0 to whatever.
Not good, Bob. Not good.
Say it's effective. Get a couple streamers on board, maybe. And then I will develop a subscription model with credits. because it's just like any other AI-based AI image generation credits. So like stable diffusion. Like I've used sorry, I've used all of these, but Midjourney, like you can use only a certain amount in your subscription. Yeah, 200 images a month, and then you have to buy more credits to generate more. So that's going to be like the kind of model here where you get a certain amount per month based on your subscription, and then you have to buy more credits if you want to generate more scripts. And then we refine the product, blah, 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 blah. The only thing I think is missing from this plan is the focus on maintaining the repo
I know there's an instance that is
to serve in building the product and system and building the case study on its effectiveness with my accounts.
I'm living life on the edge.
The repo to serve in while signaling
Maybe I have
accountability and trust in engineering, and then pivoting to this being a paid service. I have to license the repo a certain.
All right. This is the last
on
run
GitHub.
Of the day. Whatever happens here happens here. Last run of the day. We've been streaming for 6
I
hours.
do
Saturday, so
kind of want people
chill out for the rest of the night.
to be able to see the commits.
We go until the Safari Zone. Prius, thanks for the 19 months.
GitHub.
Or it dies.
But also want to be able to have the source be as closed as possible in terms of people stealing it, I guess. So when it does go public, in the terms of starting selling memberships and credits. Okay. I guess I just...
All right, here we go. Last run.
Worlds.
Team left, apparently.
Creating a viable startup while displaying accountability.
This is the last run. This is
Creating a viable, unique, profitable startup while displaying accountability, progress, and trust in the software engineering DevOps community, since I am on the hunt for my first professional job after graduating with a CS degree 4 months ago.
Well, gamers,
In the job market being terrible.
Sometimes it be that way. But
Lack of better
6 hours
words.
stream. We'll be back again tomorrow.
So I want the best of both worlds: viable, unique, profitable startup while displaying accountability, progress, trust, and the community. So what do you think, GPT? This is gonna be my last message to GPT, and then I'm gonna cut it for today. Since I ate your pie is
like a comfy stream of some sort.
Since I ate your pie is leaving.
Thanks for hanging out, everybody. There's not really anything that like sticks out to me. We might be ready.
Balance between maintaining a public presence,
you know what? Let's go raid this person.
strategic approach.
This person is.
So use a public repo, but only parts of the project that demonstrate. Oh,
let's go raid this person.
that's an idea. Okay, so you don't put the whole thing on GitHub. You only put like the parts that demonstrate your ability, and then like the website demonstrates obviously that the whole thing works. Okay, okay. Keep a separate repo for the proprietary parts. Oh, that's a huge move. I don't know why I didn't think of that. This fool's playing Yu-Gi-Oh! Forbidden Memories. We will not be viewing that. Even though I do love Yu-Gi-Oh! Forbidden Memories. I'm just going to turn that off because I'm going to read this and then peace out. So separate private repo for the proprietary parts with like main algos, full project code, and sensitive configurations. Protects my property while allowing me to demonstrate the skills. For the public repo, I would use the Affero General Public License. Okay. For the private repo, no license is needed because it's not publicly accessible. Okay. Documenting and showcasing work. I already know about that. Wait, GitHub Pages? To create a portfolio page that... Oh, no, that's just for creating a portfolio. No, okay, so building, using case studies. Transition to a commercial product. Okay. Let's output the full plan time before we dive into specific steps. I know I said I wasn't going to message again. Do I message again? I do want to output the full plan before I dive into anything, because the first step is going to be choosing a model. Literally the first step is going to be down here, choosing the Hugging Face model. Let's output the full plan. Let's output the full plans, actionable steps in chronological order. Then we'll begin building the projects using the sub steps. Cool. That's the absolute last message. Let's read this plan, and then I'm gonna peace out. Set up the dev environment. I've already done that. Configure dev tools. Cool. Set up the repos. Set up web scraping and the DB. Choose the model. Set up vast.ai container. Start training the model. Develop the API. Develop the front ends. Do some documentation and growth. And then launch it. Cool. Sounds good to me. Content Hub. All right, I'm going to peace out. I hope you have a great rest of your day, my dude. Thanks for stopping by. Again, I wish I could have gone to kickball, but we're getting it done. We're definitely getting it done, as they say. Take it easy, my dude. I will catch you on the flippity flip. I will be back tomorrow. I'll be back tomorrow. I don't know what time, but we'll be back. Peace out. Catch you on the flippity flip tomorrow.